Journey with Rebecca. I have friend mail. Yeah. We're gonna first figure out how do we open the box. This is from my friend Nareda, who is my enabler for all things yarn. I just love it. Love, love, love it because I am becoming hooked on crochet, and I'm trying to do this like without showing you the addresses. We don't want you to go to Nareda's house and steal any yarn. Just kidding. She is in the process of getting a new shelving unit, so she's been cleaning out her stuff. So bless her heart. But once she gets that shelving unit up, I am dying to see if it's something I might want to get because it looks really cool. And I do need some new shelves back here for sure. I'm running out of places to display the yarn for one thing, and then places to put everything else. Everything's in a container over here, but yeah, Jake, what's going on there, buddy? He's scratching his ear. Oh, I gotta get him to the vet. Okay. Oh my goodness. What have we got here? Nothing. I think that was part of the packaging. Oh, wow. Oh my God, look at this color. Oh, I love this color. Oh my God, this is Caron yarn. It is a number 4. Oh, I think number 4 is becoming my favorite to work with, but look at the blues in that color. Blues and grays. I love these Caron cakes. I really do. So that is gorgeous. We have a skein of, it's falling out, Red Heart with Love yarn, which is 100% acrylic. Oh, so nice. And I'm trying to see. Number 4. Oh, very nice, very nice. Very pretty yarn. Just a very neutral color. Gorgeous. Look at this. Oh, would this make an unbelievable, like, scarf, I think. Look at those colors. I think my sister would like this color scheme going on here. The burnt orange and the browns and grays. There's so many colors here. Brown, gray, like a light brown, all the way into this coral. Wow, this is a mandala by Lion Brand. 590 yards of number 3. Look how pretty that is. Gorgeous. And purple. This is the In Love yarn again. The 100% acrylic. Beautiful, beautiful. Number 4. Purple. Purple. Does that look purple? Oh, yeah. It's purple. What are they calling it? Aberdeen? Purple. Yeah. We're calling it purple. So we got 2 of these here. Loving it. Oh, what am I going to make with that? Oh my God, this is so cute. She sent me a counter. I need this. So you can actually put this on your finger. It has a little strap. You can see it when I put it in front of the camera because it's clear. And as you're knitting or crocheting, you count. Yay, because I always lose count. Nareda knows me. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. White. Look how pretty this white is. Oh, I want to make a white hat. I really do. 100% acrylic, 322 yards. So that's enough for a hat for me. And I actually like the hat that the model is wearing there. I wonder if the pattern for that is inside. Yes, on the back of the label. I just, it's wrapped around my microphone here. Oops, there we go. There we go. Whoops. Oh, so the pattern's on the label. This is a number 4 medium. Ooh, feel it. Yeah, I want an ice white hat. I do. I really do. Love it. Love it. Love it. Oh, wow. Another buttons and beads, guys. I picked up the one I'm working on the other way, the Halloween one. I picked it up the other day and I got so mad because I could not thread the needle. All I had to do was put on those binocular things that I got and I could have threaded the needle, but I just got mad at it. But this is called Autumn Woods. Look how pretty. Now I'm guessing that that bird is the button. It is. Look. How cute. And look at those colors of the yarn. These are paper craft that you cross stitch on. And then when you're done, you can put them in scrapbooks. Stitcherista does it, and I'm in love with it. So in love with it. Jake is barking at me now. He probably needs... Oh my God, I've never had anything so beautiful. Oh, there's 2. Is there 2? Christmas yarn! Look at the sparkle in that yarn. What can I make? Oh my goodness. Well, first of all, the scarf that this woman is wearing in the model is stunning. That scarf. Now, I'm wondering if I could do something that looks a little complicated, but this is a 6, a bulky yarn. Oh my goodness. 92 yards. It doesn't say if that pattern is there, but I have no shortage of patterns. You know, Nareda has directed me to many, many Facebook sites where they post patterns, and I should not have any trouble finding something to do with 200 yards of Christmas red. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Then we have this. I thought I do have some of this already that I think she sent me before. Yeah, so I've got 2 of these now. So this is Wool Ease. This is wool? This is wool as well. Wool Ease. Okay. What's the blend on it? 79% acrylic, 20% wool. Oh, nice. Very pretty. More Christmas stuff. I should be thinking of other people, right? Right. You're correct. Look at this one. This is a number 6 as well. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Look. I like that. I like this a lot. Oh my God, there's so much more in here. Is this black? Black Canyon. Number 4. Lion brand. Oh my God, look. Black. Oh, the camera doesn't, it makes it look dark blue, doesn't it? We're just gonna put that up there. Oh, black is so cool. We're gonna put this up there. Wow. Okay, then we have, oh, is that pretty? It's called Tweed Stripes. It's Lion brand, and it's really pretty. 144 yards. Look how pretty that is. Lots of different lavenders and pinkish hues to that. Gorgeous. Then we got some more purple. A lighter purple this time, guys. This is Vanna's choice. Vanna White for Lion brand yarn. 100% acrylic. Number 4. And it's a purple. Dusty purple. Gorgeous. Wow. Oh, look at this color. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Number 4 as well. Sincerely Turquoise. Look. Turquoise. Oh my gosh. Okay. This stack is going to fall, right? It is. You should see what's in here. Okay, another skein of this. So I have 2 of these now. So no excuses. I'm going to make something super cool with these. Yes, super cool. All right, I've already shown you that one. Oh my God. Okay. Look at this one. This is Caron Cakes Big Cake. Wow. And this is, it is a number 4. Wow, that's a lot. That is a lot of yarn. 603 yards of that. Look. Now this would make a cool sweater, wouldn't it? Oh yeah. And then we have Gray. Another same thing. Caron Cakes, 603 yards, number 4, but gray. Now I like this for a sweater. I do. And then I would put like maybe a pink accent, you know, with it. Not in the pattern, but you know, just like a brooch or something. Yeah, I like that color. I really do. There's more. Oh my God. Narita. Oh, wow. Is there more than one of those? Oh, there are. Oh my God. I love this. Oh, wait till you see that one. This, it looks blue, but it's grays. It's just different shades of gray. It's Premier Yarns Sweet Roll, 245 yards, but I have 2 of them. That is gorgeous. And it looks like, again, like a number 4. I'm loving number 4. So versatile. Yeah, love it. But man, this, what am I going to do with this? Oh, super bulky. I got to do something really cool with that. Really cool with all of this. Wait till you see this last one. I always got to make sure. Okay, the box is empty. Look at this. Now, did she send me this before? I don't think so. No. This is a number 3 Mandala Lion Brand. Look how gorgeous. Pinks and lavenders and whites and so beautiful. I will make this maybe like an infinity scarf out of this. This is super pretty. That pink, oh my goodness. You guys, Narita, oh my God, girl. And this is just like a fraction of the yarn this woman owns. She, God, I love it. I just love every single bit of it. Wow, I got to rearrange my yarn shelf here now because I do like to keep it so I can see it, so that when I'm choosing my next project, I'm like, oh, that's the one I want to use. And I'm thinking like this one for my sister would make something awesome this year. Like I do, she lives in Florida though, she, you know, so I'm sort of limited as to what to make her because it doesn't get that cold there. So, but I do want to make her something. Yeah. Oh, guys. Oh, so blessed to have amazing subscribers. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.